Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you. We'll be taking an in-depth look at the Sony Xperia V, the latest flagship smartphone from Sony. So, let us dive right into it. Starting off with the design and build quality, the Sony Xperia V is a true stunner. It features a sleek and elegant glass sandwich design with a metal frame, giving it a premium and sophisticated look. The phone is well crafted, and the attention to detail is evident. The slim bezels and the tall aspect ratio make it comfortable to hold, and the Gorilla Glass protection adds durability to the device. Now, let us talk about the display, and boy, it's a real treat for the eyes. The Xperia V boasts a stunning 6.5-inch 4K OLED HDR display with a resolution of 3840 by 1644 pixels. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is excellent, and the pixel density is mind-blowing. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or simply browsing the web, the visual experience is nothing short of exceptional. Moving on to performance, the Xperia V is a powerhouse. It is equipped with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, along with a whopping 8GB of RAM. The device breezes through any task you throw at it, whether it's gaming, multitasking, or heavy photo-video editing. The overall performance is smooth, and you'll experience no lags or stutters. This phone is truly a beast in terms of raw power. In terms of software, the Xperia V runs on Android 12 with Sony's minimalistic user interface on top. The software experience is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Sony has also done a great job in providing regular software updates, ensuring that you have the latest features and security patches. Now, let us dive into the camera capabilities of the Xperia V. It boasts a versatile triple camera setup, consisting of a 12-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. The camera performance is outstanding, with sharp details, accurate colors, and excellent dynamic range. Sony's expertise in imaging really shines through in this device. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or low-light shots, the Xperia V delivers stunning results. Battery life is always a concern, especially with power-packed devices. The Xperia V houses a 4,500 mAh battery, which provides all-day usage on a single charge. The device also supports fast charging, allowing you to quickly juice up your phone and get back to using it in no time. Let us talk about some additional features that make the Xperia V even more impressive. It includes stereo speakers tuned by Sony's audio expertise, delivering immersive sound quality. The phone also offers an IP65-68 rating for water and dust resistance, providing peace of mind in various environments. Additionally, it comes with a dedicated microSD card slot for expanding storage, alongside the built-in 256GB of internal storage. To sum it up, the Sony Xperia V is a true flagship smartphone that excels in design, display,